What if I told you your parents' old photos could look like they were clicked yesterday? Watch this. I turned this 30-year-old picture into full HD color in just seconds. And the best part, it's totally free. Here's exactly how you can do it. Go to imagecolorizer.com. Click on Start New Colorizer. Now, drag and drop or upload your old family photo here. Select the customized colorization and switch on these options if you want an extra clear image. Click on Upload and Start. Wait for a while. And that's it. The AI does all the hard work, fixing the blur, removing yellow tint, and adding the perfect natural colors. Click here to download the image. So go ahead, bring your parents' memories back to life with just one click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.